Welcome to Sukri Learnings. NPM is a package manager for Javascript Programming Language and it's a default package manager for Node.js. NPM is required for Angular, React, Express, and many other frameworks. In this video, I will show you how to install Node.js and NPM on Windows 10. Open the browser and visit https://npmjs.com/get-npm. On the home page, navigate to the download section. Click on Download Node.js and NPM button. It will redirect to download page and show you a recommended version for your system. Click on Recommended for most users button. The Node.js Windows installer will begin to download. Once the download is complete, click on the downloaded file. The installer will check for necessary space requirements and the next button will enable if necessary space is available. Click on Next button, and accept the license agreement checkbox and then click on the Next button. The default path to install Node.js will be shown. If you prefer to change the path, choose the path by clicking on the Change button. The features list will be shown. Node.js and NPM must be enabled and click on Next. Choose Automatically Install of Necessary Tools checkbox. Click on Next. Click on Install button. Node.js and NPM are installing now and it will take a moment. Please wait for it until it completes. Node.js has been installed. Click on Finish. Now the installation of additional tools starts. It will ask you to press any key to continue. On pressing any key, additional tools will begin to install and it will take a moment. Please wait for it until it completes. Once it's completed, press any key to exit. Now, let us verify the version of Node.js and NPM package manager. Open command prompt. Enter command node space version. Node.js version will be shown if installation succeeds. Now verify NPM version. Enter command npm space version. NPM version will be shown if installation succeeds. Here you are successfully installed Node.js and NPM package manager. Thank you for watching.